Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use floating windows and split screen on the Infinix Note 60 Pro. We have a few ways to enter floating windows. Let me show you all the methods. First, open an app. If you're using gesture navigation, slide from the bottom, go to the top right corner and release. The app will open in a floating window. You can resize it by dragging the edge, and if you drag too far, it will open in full screen. You can also change the position by grabbing the three dots and moving the window. Tap the dots to minimize the app, it sticks to the edge, and tapping it again brings it back. You can also mute the sound of the floating window. From the Recent Apps view, tap the icon next to the app name to open it in a floating window. There's also a sidebar slide from the edge to access it. If you don't have it, go to Accessibility Features, find Smart Panel and enable it. Tapping an app from the sidebar opens it in a floating window. Great for multitasking since you can still use other things on your phone. Now for split screen from the recent apps, tap the arrow next to the app name and select split screen. Then choose the second app. Note that some apps like Settings, Gallery, and Notes aren't supported in split view on this device. Once two apps are open, you can adjust the window size by dragging the divider bar or tap it to swap sides. You can also enter split screen directly from an app using gestures. Slide from the bottom to the left side, just like with the sidebar. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.